Thank you for joining me today, everyone. We are talking all about Ipsy. I will be unboxing both the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. At the end of the video, I will be going over the values, so make sure you stay until the end. But let's hop right into it and go into the Glam Bag, the base bag. This is $13 a month, and you do get 5 deluxe samples. These are gifted to me, but my opinions are all my own. Here is what the bag for the month looks like. It's blue, and you have the bright yellow zipper. The power moves on the front, and you can slip your hand underneath there if you want and use it as a clutch if you so desire. It's an okay bag, not my favorite, but it's okay. First item up is we have a pure Brazilian daily anti-frizz serum for your hair. It is a leave-in treatment for stronger, healthy looking hair, and it says that this is made with keratin, argan oil, and cocoa butter. You do use it on towel dried hair. This is 1 fluid ounce, and let's see, it says it's made in the US. So nice. It's available on their website. And okay, I've never heard of that brand, never tried it. Let's move right along. Look at how cute this little baby sample is. It's like the size of my pinky. It's 1 fluid ounce. This is of First Aid Beauty, their hydrating eye cream. Never tried their eye cream. I've tried a lot of this stuff. You can use this AM and PM, and this is made in the US with local and imported materials. Just FYI, sometimes the minis or samples, deluxe samples, can be made in the US. That doesn't always mean that the full size of that product is, just to kind of keep that in mind. Unfortunately, First Aid Beauty is not cruelty-free, which always kind of like plays a trick on my mind, because for some reason in my head I feel like them and Benefit, for some reason I just always feel like they should be cruelty-free. Anyone else? Next, we have Kinship. This is one of the things that I wanted from the spoiler list. Yay! This is the Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask, cruelty-free, and they are made in the US. As of right now, the last that I checked, all of their products were made in the US, so hopefully that continues. So this is about the size of my ring finger. It is 0.17 fluid ounce. And by the way, if you are returning, thank you so much for coming on back and spending some of your day with me. If you are new and you came across my channel, thank you so much. I hope that if you love all things beauty, from fashion to skincare, that you will stick around and consider hitting the subscribe button to join me here. I know time is valuable, so let's get right back to it. I have tried this. I really like that. This is the It Superhero Mascara, and I really like this. This is about the size, see, they keep getting bigger. This is about the size of my middle finger. I won't open it because I have quite a few mascaras that I'm testing out right now, but I will say I really like the formula. They are cruelty-free, but unfortunately their parent company is not, and it's a little bit of a wet formula, kind of along the lines of like the Too Faced Better Than Sex or the Essence / Princess, but not quite as wet as that. I can always use tweezers. What about you? I don't know why. I always seem to misplace them. But we have Araceli. I'm not sure exactly how you say that. I am terrible at pronunciation. Sorry if you're an English major. I probably will drive you crazy if you are. But, oh, they have some weight to them. Black with the silver end at the point there. Quite a good point. It says these are premium stainless steel tweezers with precision slanted tip. And it can be used to apply false lashes directly to the lash line and even remove even the shortest brow hairs. All right, so good, can always use that. Really, like, is anyone else misplaced their tweezers? Am I the only one? I don't know why. As part of the Ipsy Open Studio program, once in a while they do send us some extras, and this month They sent us 3 pins in bright colors here, and it says on there, 1 word at a time. Cute. And on the back, the advertising says, Power Moves, write your own story. I like that. And some Post-it notes. Ooh, I like the pink and white checkerboard print on them. The theme of this month is Make Your Power Move. Rock statement nails, take risks with unexpected hues, or dare to experiment with something totally new. You may just discover it's totally you. I like that. That's so cute. All right, moving right along. Don't forget to stay till the end because we are going to talk all about the money at the end. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Here is what that bag looks like. It is always a drawstring bag and more of a fabric bag. This print totally reminds me of like Tetris or Cubert, was it? Where the game where the little creature like bounced around. I think that was the game. Anyway, all right, let's see what we got in here. Oh yes, this was something I wanted that was on the spoilers list. Ooh, ooh. Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I haven't tried anything from Saturday Skin, and I'll admit it's all because of their packaging. I just like their packaging. I like pink, and this is pink, so these are all full sizes. This is 2.53 fluid ounce, and this is made in Korea. We have a SeoulKleen with the K-L-E-E-N Probiotics Balancing Cleanser. This is 3.3 fluid ounce. I've never heard of this brand. It must be, is it K? Yes, I figured it was K-Beauty. You know what I love about things that are K-Beauty is let's see, now that I say that, this one probably doesn't. Ah, darn it. Okay, I can't say that. That is everything that I have had so far that is made in Korea always has the expiration date printed right on it. But the Saturday Skin, I don't see that. It just is the code. Well, anyway, this probiotic balancing cleanser, it has the expiration date on the packaging, which I love. Locks in moisture and improves skin smoothness. And it says ingredient callouts. Oh, I don't even know how to pronounce any of those. So let me just tell you, it says it helps the skin and stimulates growth of new tissue. And there's another one that helps control acne causing bacteria. Very nice. I like the blue packaging too. Next we have a shiny rose gold box here. This is from Ciate London. Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. This is made in Italy and glossy cheek tint. So it looks like a liquid highlight. Why am I so happy that I got another palette? I don't need another palette. Carmela Cosmetics, and the palette name is Defiance. Very nice. So it's got that black packaging with a little bit of iridescent, it kind of looks like sand coming in from the side or rusty, dusty thing coming in. This is made in China. It does say that they're cruelty free, but again, I will confirm and put that up on the screen. There's 8 shades and a mirror. Looks like a very nice neutral palette. We have 3 shimmers, and it looks like the rest is matte. So you have like a good base beige color, some different shades of tan and taupe, and then all the way down to that really, really dark brown, almost looks black. Or is it black? No, it is black, actually, all the way down to black. And it's one of the cardboard type palettes, magnetic closure. And it just slides right into the sleeve is that packaging. All right, I'm very excited about this too. Yes. This is by Alley Oop, which I have tried their eyeshadow, like cream eyeshadow stick, which is very nice. This is a multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. Yay! This says it's made in China, designed with love in LA. and that brand is cruelty-free. Okay, so here it is. It looks just, you know, like a dual-sided brush. You have a fluffy brush on one end with a little bit of an angle, and then a sponge tip on this end. So it's a little bit bigger, the whole brush, from my middle point, the top of my middle finger, to kind of like where the end of my wrist, the end of my hand, kind of where my wrist is. But then you unscrew each side, and ta-da! You have a double-sided brush inside. So then we have another, this looks like a shadow shading, I would guess. Yeah, medium shadow brush on one end. And then on the other end, you have an angled brush for brow or liner. And this little brush, it is, let's see, it's a little bit bigger than my middle finger. It goes into my palm, as you can see. But you could, you know, screw on one end and just use it that way if you wanted a little bit of a bigger brush. It's like the Swiss Army knife of brushes. That's really cool. Yay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I feel like I have a baton, you know, and I should be able to twirl it around. So that is what we have in the Glam Bag Plus Ipsy March 2022 bags. Now, let me pause you for one momento. Let's talk money. Okay, so the Ipsy Glam Bag base bag is $13 a month, and the estimated value, why I say estimated is because, you know, I have to sometimes divide out and then apply it to how many ounces, you know, blah, blah, blah. But the total value of the bag that I received is, ta-da! Here we go. What do you think? I think that is worth it. And as far as if you take the value out and just talk about the products for me, number one, I love getting mascaras. I always say if you subscribe to Ipsy, you probably never have to buy mascara again. So always like getting that. And First Aid Beauty, love trying their products. And the Kinship, I want to try more for them. And actually the tweezers, I can always use tweezers. So this month, the Ipsy Glam Bag base bag was definitely value for me as well. Even if I was purchasing it on my own money, I would be happy. And I probably don't have to tell you, like, product-wise, if I'm happy with the Glam Bag Plus or not. I think you probably can already guess that the answer to that is yes. I feel like the only things that I would is I've never heard of this probiotic balancing cleanser, but I love trying skincare. And I don't know if I'd really need another like dewy highlighter, but you know, I'm always willing to try it. I'm glad that it's a dewy highlighter versus like a powder highlighter because I have enough of them. But the other items I'm happy with. So, but let's talk money. Again, I forget if I said this, the cost of the bag is $28. You do get 5 full-size products in there, and the value of my bag is, ta-da! What do you think? I think that's amazing, and I think it's pretty good, and I'm happy. Even if I was purchasing these, I would be happy. So what do you think? Would you be happy if you received these products in your bag? Let me know down below. If you made it this far, let me know by commenting pink, because I like pink. I like pink. I like pink. Ooh, 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 I like pink. Okay. I'm in a goofy mood. I don't know. Anyway, okay. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a beautiful morning, evening, afternoon, whenever and wherever you are that you are watching this, and that you will consider hitting that subscribe button down below. You can either hit it down below or you can hit my face right here, and that'll take you right to that. If you want to see past Ipsy unboxings, you can click on this video or this one or this one. I hope to see you back here. Thanks. Bye.